Hi guys, hope all of you are fine. Today we are discussing about bases and their properties, their examples. So here we are starting bases. This is our today's topic. So as you know that bases form alkaline solutions. They form alkaline solutions. If you know about alkalis, alkali, alkalines. So we are also discussing also these topics on this channel, so keep with us and supporting us. Today we are discussing about bases. So the properties we are discussing here about the taste properties. First we are discussing about taste wise. As acids have sour taste, in bases have bitter taste. Bitter. So what about another important term? They have slippery touch. They have slippery as about as we are talking about like soapy touch. Important. So what is the slippery touch, i.e. soapy touch? So about litmus effect. This is about taste. Litmus effect. They turn red litmus into blue. But in acids they turn blue litmus into red. So these are the basic difference, the variation. In bases, red litmus turn into blue. uh, Conductivity, important property. We are also discussing, is they are able to conduct electricity in the liquid or not. Their aqueous solution can conduct electricity. Yes, it is. To conduct electricity or electric current, both are the same. So these are the important three properties: conductivity, taste, and the litmus effect. As we are talking about cohesiveness, they are non-corrosive. In its concentrated form. Which form? Rated form, i.e. in hot form. These are the important four properties we are discussing. In the next videos we are discussing about general reactions of different scientists. They prove about acids and bases, Arrhenius concept, Bronsted-Lowry concept. According to their opinions, they perform different reactions and the conclusions. In next video we will discuss about Arrhenius concept and then Bronsted-Lowry concept, their definitions and their reactions, on which properties the scientists are elaborate, the bases and acids. And after this we are come to our another topic, salts. So connect with us and hope all of you are enjoy this video. Share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thank you.